give him a little shove and help him out. Better check the muffler bearings on that sucker.
Muffler bearings, that what you just said?
Muffler bearings.
Muffler bearing. You can get those at Big Old Tires, right?
Big old tires.
Big Old Tires.
He might need to check his tires while he's there.
Yes.
I think he needs an oil change. That's what he needs to get.
Oil change at Big Old Tires right on the strip here. Dennis is checking more. Make sure you got, yeah, we're ready to go.
Number 13.
We got thumbs up.
Even the new power.
Let's cheer him on. Hey, cheer, 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 cheer. Chicken, 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 chicken. Here we go. Come on, he's going to be stuck. $20 he gets stuck. Oh, he cleared it. There we go. He's happy. He's going to go down the mud hole. No mud. He's going to go around the cone and through the woods to Grandma's house. Wrong side of the cone. He's going to hit this jump. 13, 13, they're lucky 13. Oh. He's got no power now. We got stuff running out of there. Jeez.
I don't think he's airbag blue. I think it's water bag.
You know what? Last year we had a guy who forgot to disconnect the airbag. We went off this jump. Boom. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah! He wiped out that baby. Here he goes.
He's not messing
Let's see if he
around.
goes around the corner the right way. Yeah, he goes the right way. He's been to traffic school.
This ain't his.
Wrong jump. No, 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 no. Oh. Teeter totter. Teeter totter.
He's starting a new sport. Nissan teeter tottering.
Only here at Dakota Speedway.
David Shue out of Lincoln.
Oh, we got Dan.
Good
Oh
thing.
yeah, let's do that. Let's.
Yeah.
Boy,
Big
you know
Dan,
what? Yeah. Wrong end, guys. Yeah, let's just ruin our record. Just push it over.
Yeah, it's a good thing he's sponsored by Dakota Towing. He might
Yeah.
get out of there.
Oh, I broke his driver now.
That might be. I didn't see him come across.
Lindsay, here he is. First jump.
Tit Pro.
Yeah, go to the cones. There we go. Safety class. There we go. Put the brakes on. Why? I don't get it. Here we go. We're going to get some air on this guy. Oh, he put the brakes on. Oh, that's good. There we go. This is a brand new car. What brand is it up there, Bert? Is it a Nissan, a Chrysler? What is it?
It is a Chrysler Black FNG Repair.
2017.
Harley Feist out of Minokin.
He's cheering. He wants some cheering. He wants you guys to get him going.
He's been watching
Let's get him rocking.
motorbikes.
That's a brand new car. He just waxed it today.
Spit shine. You've got a sunroof.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, no, he's gonna have to put a new.
Oh, he's going to get stuck now.
He's gonna go down. Is he gonna come back up?
No, he's not. No, he's not. No, no, no. Oh. Yeah.
Would have if he hadn't hit the brake.
Put your hazard on. We'll be there.
They're coming. FNG.
All these cars are for sale afterwards, right, Bert?
They're all for sale.
They're all for sale.
Take them right over to Big O and put tires on them. Take them down the
Yes.
street. Maybe get an oil change while you're there.
By the way, Big Old Tires do sell monster truck tires, I was told. Are you going to take him over the jump? Are we going to take him?
Whether he wants
Let's
to
cheer
or
him
not.
on. Let's get him for that jump.
He's going over whether he wants to or not.
Man, that's a nice car. Yeah, we got your money.
FNG Repair.
There we go. Big old Chrysler. Take it back down and get it polished up for the second round, guys.
Put some of them big old tires on.
That big old tires.
Put some monster truck tires on that thing and bring it in here next year. Nah.
Who we got up next here?
Gotta wait for him to come up with lines. Number 3.
Number 3. Who wants some air? Oh,
Michael Newman. Out of
Right
the
there, here we go.
Storm.
Dale Earnhardt right here. Safety school? Yep, been safety school. Hey, this is an old Pontiac Frere. Oh, he's going to, yeah! There we go!
And it's still going.
See you at Johnson's Wrecking on Monday.
Yeah, that was good. No, that'll be good for next
He
year.
found the gear. He'll be back.
He'll be back for next year.
A lot of grandpas want that topper.
You bet.
That's worth millions.
Don't wreck the topper.
Don't wreck the topper. Here we go, Sherman in the first jump, number 22. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Austin Weigel out of farm.
Oh, he needs some struts bad.
Yeah, he's going to be strutting after hitting that bounce. Toyota pickup.
He's been to
Austin
safety
by
school.
David
Here we go,
Weigel.
painted up rims.
Another one that comes out of
We're
farm.
gonna point to him. He's got the wipers on, clear the dust off. Oh. What? I was looking for the drive-thru. They told me to come over here.
Yeah, I think he broke a muffler or windshield wiper bearing on that one. On the
You got a lot of bearings up there, Bert.
I got a lot of screws loose too. That's why.
Are we having fun yet, ladies and gentlemen and kiddos? Beautiful night for Monster Truck Spectacular at Dakota Speedway. Here's number 4, Bert.
Number 4 is on his way. White it is. Tell me about this guy. Trump.
Oh yeah, painted up nice.
Trump.
He's looking good. He's been to safety. No, he's not been to safety school. Got a point. Here we go.
He's taking the shortcut.
Oh. Let's cheer him on, number 4.
Tractor's cracking on the Davenport. Sponsored by the one and only Lonesome Dove, where you never go home lonely.
This guy's like 85 years old.
85.
There we go, Lloyd.
Still has all of his
Down the hill, it's American made. Come on, come on. You can do it. American made, American made. Yes.
Fred Flintstone.
Come on, Lloyd. Lloyd, turn right.
Take a right turn, Lloyd.
Co-pilot. You're co-pilot.
The other right.
Oh, Dan, what do you got there? Oh, isn't that cute?
Which is
That's a survivor. Put him in the car.
Which is the stuffed animal, the gray one or the pink one?
It-
One of the
There we go.
One of the finest of the volunteer help they have here at Dakota Speedway. I like picking on Big Dan.
I want to tell you something. Dan last night came to work wearing a yellow t-shirt.
Sucker.
He looked like a big old banana out there.
Banana split on the move.
Banana split. Oh, you're really appealing like that. Oh, he got you, Bert.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know he had that.
He's going to go for the jump, Lloyd. Crazy Lloyd right here.
Like we said, Lloyd does not quit.
Look at his passenger. That's all you got? Let's send it.
Is that Trump right?
Jeez. He'll be back. You get his family to come down
Give
there.
Lloyd a hand because I guarantee his family
Yes.
and him will get that thing back up. Here he comes, white cars.
Oh yeah, we're going to get some. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to finish that car off. Hands are still going. He's going to go around the cone. Yes, he is. He's going to finish out. Cheer him out the last jump. Oh yeah. We got Jock Debris on the track.
That was,
There you go. Who's up next? We got the Davenport.
We got a Davenport. It's Lloyd, the number 24. Everything's stuffed down.
That hurts, guys. Davenport, here we go.
He made it all the way through.
He did.
And around the cone.
He's going to send it right here. Oh, see, guys?
That is why we say safety first. Thank God he had his seatbelt on. That's all I got to say. Geostorm.
Let's see what he does with the first jump. Oh, yeah. Horns up. We're still going. He's got fire underneath that thing. Over the cone. Dale Earnhardt right here. Oh, you put the brakes on. Oh, nice hood job. I love that.
What do you think about that, guys? Girls, number 3.
He's still running. And he got it front of gear. There we go. It's got a knock to it. Cheer him on. Oh, yeah. We're sending it. There we go. It's still running. Chug-a-lug-a-lug-a, chug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug. Oh.
Give him a shove, he'll go right over it.
We got a smoker.
Got a smoker. FNG Repair out of Minokin.
Yeah, we tell the drivers when you do land, we want you to give up thumbs up to the safety crew to make sure you're all right.
Better give a thumbs up to that school teacher out there in Minokin. Minokin has got an O in it there, Harley. This is a 2002 Chrysler. If anybody's needing a new car.
And it's only 17 years old.
Right, and I wouldn't. I bet you get some parts off of that yet. Maybe a headlight.
What's the plans here? We're going to make it into a compact? Is that what we're going to do? Oh, they want to back it up. We're going to go for it. Cheer him on, ladies and gentlemen. That's what he wanted. We're going to back him up. We're going to launch this Chrysler.
I ain't done yet.
That's what it was.
I'm not going to be outdone by some 70-year-old man. I'll show you
He
how
wants
it's
to go
done.
back to Minokin where he came from. Let's see if we can put him there. Cheer him on. Here we go.
Here we go.
FNG Chrysler. Boom. Thumbs up. Yeah. Yay.
3 thumbs up. They're ready to go.
I'm buying Sundays at McDonald's. See you at 11.
FNG Repair.
There we go.
And then we come to Daryl Shue is the last one coming in. And he's got a 1998 Nissan Frontier, Black Dakota Towing, G&G Auto. Better take that car back to your grandmother. She'll be looking for it. David Shue out of Lincoln, North Dakota.
Oh, yeah! He white knuckled that one. Out in the woods. No, you got to turn right. Turn right. Turn. Oh, there we go.
He's going to take a run at it. He's taking a run.
Oh, yeah! He put on a show for you guys.
This is one back.
We got another shoe here.
Daryl Shue, David Shue, excuse me, out of Lincoln, North Dakota. Dakota Towing, G&G Auto. They're going to make sure he's okay after that one. Need the paramedics on that one.
No, he's good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.